Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2023 Matchbox. Today we have a Renault Kangoo. It's a Goodyear tire service truck, or van I should say. 70 years of Matchbox is the 2023. It's number 83 of 100 and made in Thailand. Let's get this out of the package. See how cool it is. No pop today. Oh, there was a little pop there. Dun, dun, dun. This is actually sharp looking outside of the package. Cars are so much better outside of the package. I love my Matchbox and Hot Wheels loose now. All four wheels do roll, but not crazily fast or anything. Got silver painted headlights. It's like side lights. It's not even the headlights. The headlights are blue. We come to you. So you get a blowout and this guy comes and changes your tire. That's cool. Let's see. Does it roll on the track? Do we have the track? Let's put the track down. Alright, we have a ball here at the end of the track that might be frozen. Ooh. Oh, come on. There's not any really good ricochet in here, but we're going to drift in the snow in a second on the icy roads. Go backwards first. Oh, that was pretty slick. And I do mean slick. It's slippery on my track. Squeezing the ball is definitely better. Might be because it was frozen too. But let's see how it drifts. Oh, it drifts snowbound. Oh, I'm loving that. Let's see, let's get us a little pile to smash through. Let's drift through the pile. It was very scary driving this morning. Oh, driving at 5:30 in the dark. And it wouldn't be so bad if people shut their high beams off when a car's coming at them. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, chip the church. A little church chipper. Oh. I'm loving this, man. This is fun. I got the perfect tabletop for the drift. The snow drift. Oh. Don't hit the people. They're out there just watching the drifting. Oh, it's a rollover. I guess the street takeover is done. I don't have any police or rescue to come and help this guy. We got the little meter maid who's in the area. Oh, poor guy. All right. That's enough fun for right now. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in and checking out this car, or van, Goodyear Tire Service. It's called a Renault Kangoo. Driving, I cannot see inside. Plastic bottom, metal top. Until next time, T-10 out.